Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is June the 9th, Tuesday. Okay, 3:30 a.m. GMT here, and we are looking at the chart of the SPX for today. This is S&P 500. It is a 45 minutes chart, short-term outlook here. We can see right here the index is rallying in an impulsive structure here. We ended this with 2 here in the pullback in the blue box, and then from there the index has started to rally again. Okay, and we can see the subdivision of the rally is also in a 5 waves here. So we are now within wave 3 in the black, which subdivides into 5 waves in the blue. So we have one of 3 here, 2 of 3 here, and we are now in a 3 of 3 technically. And then you can see the subdivision here also is in another impulse. So overall, we are looking for the upside, and any pullback therefore should continue to see support in 3711 swing. Okay, for the upside. Now shorter cycle or alternate can always we can always tweak the count slightly to, for example, to call the degree ends. For example, we can tweak it like this: 1 2 1 2, and then now we then end it with 3 in blue somewhere here, or things like that, right? But the idea is that as long as we stay above this with 2 in blue, and more importantly this with 2 in black, as long as we stay above there, we can continue to see more upside, and any dips or any pullback is going to be finding support right here. Now zooming out a little bit now to the 4-hour chart to give you a context of this move here. So I'm gonna put this 2 in black, 1 and 2 in blue in the 4-hour chart. So here's where we are now. We got 2 in black here, this one, and then 1 and 2 in blue over here, and so this has to be our 1 in black. And so what we see here is what looks to be a 5-way sub here in the S&P, right? From the March low, this is the COVID-19 low. And by the way, the Nasdaq has already broken to a new high, by the way. Okay, so we got a 5 ways up, ended this one. Okay, and then now the pullback is over this 2, so this is your connector from the lows, and if you just simply mention the 100%, which is sort of the minimum target that we can expect when you have some sort of high structure or APC. For example, it could be an APC if anybody's bullish, and if anybody's bearish, even though no reason to suggest that this is a bearish market, right? So you have this 1 and 2, or A and B, and then you can see so far we have not reached the minimum 100%, which is 35 36 on the upside, and this one should be unfolding in a 5 waves overall to reach this target area. So shorter cycle, yes, we can get a bigger pullback, a little bit bigger pullback. 3, for example, 3 could have ended to a bigger pullback and so on, but that really doesn't change the overall idea that as far as we stay above these 2, and more importantly this 2 in black, we should continue to see more upside, potentially reaching this 35 36. Okay, and any pullback therefore should find support in 37 11 swing. Okay, so hope that is clear. And if you want to check our service and you want to get a regular update on S&P or other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link will be provided in the description of the video below. And I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to all of you.